That's right, Bryce. We're starting to see those clouds move back in, and taking a look at the national view, this low pressure that's now over portions of Texas is going to track to the east, spreading rain across much of Mississippi and the Arklamis. And right now, it's generally pretty mild out there. Not a whole lot of rain, but temperatures are really feeling like springtime. We're at 63 in Greenville, 59 Clarksdale, temperatures in the 50s across much of Arkansas. A little bit warmer to the south along I-20 from Shreveport to Jackson, where temperatures are ranging anywhere from 61 to 63 degrees. So a warm start in Greenwood. Good morning to you. 59, humidity at 75%. A little sticky out there, but not too bad for Monday. Greenville, you're sitting at 63, winds out of the east at about 6 miles per hour. And again, the rain showers are starting to increase in coverage, especially out to our west. The heaviest of rain now into southern Arkansas, all the way back into eastern portions of Texas and Oklahoma. And even some showers now moving just along the Jackson metro area. And zooming into the Delta again, most of the heavy rain is off to our west, but this is going to be moving in our general direction. Starting to see some heavier showers move across northern Sunflower and Tallahatchie County and much of the northwestern portions of the Delta. And the rain showers will be on the increase, especially this afternoon and into the evening. Now, tracking out the rest of your Monday afternoon, it's going to be more hit and miss through about 3 o'clock. And then later this afternoon into the evening, the rain becomes a little more widespread and heavy. And notice how temperatures drop into the 50s, so it will be a little bit of a cool rain. And then going into the overnight hours, the rain begins to spread across much of the region, and it's going to be heavy at times. Some of us could get anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain, especially the further north you head across the Delta. That looks like where the heaviest of rain is going to set up. And then going into the overnight, we'll have to watch the threat of some stronger storms, especially on the south side of this, mainly along I-20. But some of those strong storms could sneak into the South Delta. So again, that's something you'll have to monitor, especially as you're heading to bed. So just be sure to turn those alerts on. That way, if a severe thunderstorm is issued for your area, you can check that out and have your safe spot ready to go. But again, not anticipating widespread severe weather. And then by tomorrow morning, we're going to start to clear out and cool down. And notice these barbs from the north. That northerly wind going to make those 50s feel even cooler. So we'll start in the 60s tomorrow, but it's going to plummet. And then heading into Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning, some of us, especially along I-55, may drop into the upper 30s. So cooler weather is on the way as we head into Wednesday. But again, on that severe threat, mainly along the I-20 corridor from about Jackson into northern Louisiana. Most of that is going to stay out of the Delta, but notice some of this covers the south portion of the viewing area, especially from about West Carroll Parish all the way to Yazoo County. So again, just keep that in mind. Be weather aware as we head through late tonight into early tomorrow morning. But again, it's a relatively small threat, and we're not really looking at a tornado threat from this, which is always good news. But 1 to 2 inches of rain going to be possible over portions of the Delta, so that may cause a little bit of flooding issues on some low-lying areas. And again, a few strong storms possible late this evening across the South Delta, and then we're going to clear out and cool down as we head into the middle of the week. And rain chances generally going to be pretty low after today. Tuesday morning, we'll have a couple lingering showers drying out for the middle of the week. And then this weekend, models are a little uncertain of exactly what's going to happen, so we're keeping the rain chances pretty low at this time. Now, checking in on our Mississippi River level, continuing to rise. We're about 2.5 feet above that minor flood stage level today. Going to continue to rise another foot or so heading into this weekend. The Yazoo River posing no threats, holding steady around 31.2 feet as of today. Looks to rise about 1.5 feet between this weekend, but still staying below that flood stage level. Now, we're expected to crest here in Greenville at the Mississippi River on April 5th, which is this upcoming Sunday at 51.5 feet. Upper Lake Ferguson Road, Warfield Point Park already closed at this point. And the Mississippi River at Arkansas City expected to crest around 40.5 feet coming up April 5th. That means the low silt plain in front of Arkansas City and Huntington Point will go underwater. So that's definitely something to keep in mind as we head into this upcoming weekend. Now for today, again, scattered showers and thunderstorms. The coverage really going to increase later in the day. And a few of those storms could be strong this evening. Highs generally in the upper 60s to lower 70s, so a spring-like day. Tonight, lows of around 55, widespread rain and thunder showers. And again, the rain will be heavy at times, 1 to 2 inches of rain possible. And we're also tracking the potential for some stronger storms in the South Delta. And by tomorrow, we're going to start off in the 60s, but by the afternoon and evening, those temperatures will begin to fall. A few showers around early, then we'll see some gradual clearing by the afternoon and evening. But those breezy conditions are going to make it feel even cooler. So it's going to be a pretty cold day tomorrow, especially for early spring. And then we're going to dry out Wednesday into Thursday before warming up for your weekend.